say? Nothing's taking over, giving Otto a spell.
Yeah.
An Otto break.
Otto was getting worn out. He needed to go get a Gatorade. He'll be back shortly.
We serve Otto. Otto is our master.
Yeah, Otto's pretty awesome. Pretty much like controls the boat for hours at a time.
Not our Lord, but he's our master. Not even that. What do you say, Otto? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, we're going to sign off. This is St. Charles Shipping Channel. We're going to take the Calcasieu channel back down to the Gulf. Say hello to Appalachia Basin.
Wow, Otto gets back